Rihanna gets my coin every single time. She can keep it, she can multiply it again, resell the same thing in a different color, and I'm getting all the colors. Like, she, her mind is just so fantastic. Like, what's up guys, it's your girl K Dash and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, today I will be doing a Savage X Fenty review. My very first video was actually a review on the Savage X Fenty line because that was when they first launched. Like, it was like a week after they had launched. I was like, I gotta get it. And now they launched their Valentine's Day collection, and I've seen it everywhere. I've seen it on the celebrities, all the influencers on Instagram. Like, y'all know what I'm talking about. And then you see Riri herself modeling the, you know, sets, and they look amazing on her. So I was like, let me get a little piece of that action. Let me see what she's talking about, you know what I'm saying? Because Fenty been holding it down for a little bit. I got Fenty on my face, you know, about to have Fenty on my body. Fenty about to, you know, come out with some hair. She about to come out with Fenty couches. I don't know. Fenty futons, I guess it would be called. I don't know. But Rihanna just taking over all the industries, and I'm here for it. If you're interested in seeing what I got, please keep on watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. And we're going to get right into it. So like I said, this is my second time reviewing Savage Fenty. And it came in this little bag right here. I haven't even opened it yet, y'all. Okay, so we got, what's the name of this set? Oh, so they're not gonna tell me the name of the set? Well, dang, I don't forgot what I ordered. Okay, guys, so I got the I Heart You set, okay, and then I got the lock it down bralette. So I got, this is the lock it down. I'm keep saying it wrong, I'm sorry. It's the lock it down bralette, and let me show y'all. This is the one I saw everyone wearing. It's so cute and different. Like, I've never seen lingerie like this. This is the one that everybody has been wearing. So cute. It's like a metallic red, and then you can see the zippers in the middle of the cup, so it zips and it opens. Very scandalous, Rihanna, very scandalous. But oh my god, and then I love the details of her stuff. Like, everything she makes has so much detail. And then, like, it's called the Lock It Down, you know, set. And look at, I don't know if y'all can see that, but look, the key, the what is this? The zipper part is a key. Like, it's a heart-shaped key. Here's the key, and it's a zipper. Like, it's, her mind is just so amazing. I can't. And then the other side is the lock, the little heart lock. Y'all see that? Yeah, so smart. Ugh, I love her. I got this bralette in a size small. Guys, I got it on, and y'all, this is such a cute bralette, all right? Like I said, this is red metallic, and then it's the gold zipper. It looks like rose gold, honestly. That's the key one, and then that's the locket side. I can't get this tape off. Can't get the tape off. And then it zips down. Isn't that crazy? Okay, first impressions, it's snug. It ain't, if you wore it out, like if you wore it as an actual bralette, it ain't going nowhere. I wear a size small. It's very tight. It's not going nowhere, y'all. It's not going anywhere. You can adjust the straps. It's really nice and comfortable. Like, it's tight enough to where it's not moved. Like, you won't get any malfunctions, but it's not too tight to where it's like, because you know it's like a leather or faux leather or whatever it is material, so it could get like, you know, sticky and like very uncomfortable. But it, as of right now, it feels comfortable. It is kind of hot in here too, and I'm not sticking yet to anything. It's so cute, y'all. I wanted to get the set, but the set sold out. Like I said, y'all saw it's been on everybody. Everybody has this set. Like, I was just like, everyone but me was able to get the set, I guess. I don't know, but it's a really cute top. Rihanna, you did that. I've never seen anything like this in any lingerie line, honestly. You know, you've seen the like peekaboo things, but I've never seen it be able to zip up and down, so kudos to you, girl. So the next items I got was the I Heart You one, and these are the thongs for it. So let me show y'all that. This set I actually was able to get because I guess everybody wasn't getting it, but honestly I think this set is cuter than this one, like the red one, just because it's more cutesy, it's more girly, and it has more colors to work with. And it says, you know, it has like the lips and the cute and the eyes. It's very flirty to me. And what made me really want to get this was when I saw Rihanna wear it. Like, she looks amazing at everything, but like this one right here, I was like, oh, that is so cute. I'm not trying these on for you guys because, but it is really cute. I thought it was a thong. I don't think it is a thong. It's like bikini. It's a bikini cut, sorry, but it is like thin on the sides, but it is a bikini. Very, very cute. It's all mesh basically, except for at the bottom, like where your, you know, your little areas go, it's, you know, cotton, but everywhere else everything's gonna be seen. I got the bra as well. Ooh. I need to learn how to open these properly just in case things don't fit so I can actually send it back. But the bra is super, super cute, guys. Just like its panties in the set, mesh everywhere. You ain't nothing hiding in this, but this is so cute. I'm gonna insert the picture of Rihanna so y'all can see how cute she looked in hers, which is why I bought mine. I'm gonna try this on for you guys so you guys can see. Okay guys, so this bra shows everything, but it is so cute, y'all. The underwire does make it a little snug, but look how cute it is. And then, you know, with the panties, it would look super, super cute. Rihanna does not miss. Like, Rihanna hits every time. Oh, I should probably tell y'all about, you know, the bra. Okay, so this bra, look at the little bow in the middle. Okay, so this bra is a 32B. That's what I am. My boobs are not that big, but in this bra, you would think, you know, they look a little nice. So, like, I think it's the underwire underneath it. There's no padding in this bra. It's literally just the underwire, just giving your girls a push, and they look good. Like, normally I don't like bras without padding because I don't have any boobs, so I like bras to have padding so it looks like I have some. I could wear it like this and I would be absolutely confident. I'd feel sexy, like how I think Rihanna hits it every time with these things, yo. Like, she does not miss. Rihanna gets my coin every single time. She can keep it, she can multiply it again, resell the same thing in a different color, and I'm getting all the colors. Like, her mind is just so fantastic. Like, I'm sorry, this video turns into from a review to a stand of Rihanna video. I don't know. I had to go put the red one back on so I can give y'all my final thoughts of this collection. It's amazing. That's all I have to say about it. Like, there's no ifs, ands, or there's no debating that. Rihanna does her thing every single time. Oh, this looks cute. Thumbnail. Okay, let me stop. But Rihanna does her thing every single time. Like I said, about this bralette, and I'm sure the other pieces of the set is nice as well, but the bralette, you could wear as a regular like bralette shirt, like, you know what I'm saying, like you could wear this out, I believe, and I don't think anybody would be like, I mean, nowadays people wear lingerie as shirts anyway, so knock yourself out, girl. This is so cute. I see the vision, like some black, nice leather black pants, and then like a black leather jacket with like gold trim on it. You would look like a bad a BB. All leather outfit. This is it for it. Yeah, this is giving me vibes of like hella gold chains and stuff. Savage X Fenty never disappoints. They're very true to size. If you're interested in buying from them, I highly suggest you do very, very soon if they haven't already sold out on everything. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please leave the thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. I don't know what you're waiting for. All right, you did it? Okay. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thinking about the things that we did, you made me wanna come